Hey everyone, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. Well, the holiday season is just around the corner, and what comes with holiday seasons but parties, events, and hosting. I have 5 tips here on how you can de-stress your hosting this holiday season. Number 1, make lots of lists. Lists make you feel organized and prepared. Consider using a software like Microsoft To Do so you can share the list with other people in your family or other people that are hosting the event. And you get the satisfaction of clicking them off and having them disappear and make you feel complete. Number 2, have a solid timeline. Now that you have all these tasks to keep you organized, set them out so that they're within reasonable, realistic goal timeline settings and have due dates so you know when you got to get them completed by to keep yourself on task. Number 3, don't go crazy with menus. Everybody thinks that they want to wow their guests, but realistically, they're there to hang out and be social with yourself. So don't make your life super difficult by trying to make something you've never made before in your life. Try to keep to the things that you're very good at, or potentially order it in or cater it. Number 4, if you're thinking that guests might stay over, take the work out and the guessing out and get your guest room prepared early. Make sure that you have fresh sheets and you've washed the pillowcases, and ultimately maybe even have an extra toothbrush on hand, and always key, have an extra cell phone charger near the bedside. And number 5, one of my other favorites. When people come over and host, it's funny how much they'll use the washroom. So make sure you make that thing sparkle. If you stay on top of it, it's a lot easier to keep a clean washroom clean than it is to clean a dirty one. I hope these tips help you during the holiday season. I know I'll be hosting quite a bit. I'll be going over to friends hosting, and I want to make sure that everybody enjoys this holiday season with the least amount of stress as possible. We'll talk to you guys soon, and enjoy the fall and winter season to come.